Hi everyone, welcome back to Sincerely Molly, where I share all the things I love and I sincerely hope you like it. I'm Molly, and today I have a few artsy fall crafts for you. Guys, I seriously love fall, and surprise surprise, I'm wanting to get crafty. I mean, frankly, that's nothing new, but I'm really excited to share these ones with you. For the most part, each of these crafts utilize pieces from the Dollar Tree, so it's pretty affordable, and if you're somebody that really likes to get artsy and hands-on and, you know, like to kind of stretch that creativity a bit and do kind of more detailed work, these will be crafts for you. The first craft is a simple hanging wall art, and this is utilizing the Paint With Me Apple watercolor tutorial that I did in my last video. So what you'll need is a fall painting of your choice, this particular bit of decor from the Dollar Tree, a box cutter or X-Acto knife, some hot glue, and twine. After your painting is all done, set that aside. With that wall decor, turn it upside down, and where you see the tiny blocks in the corner, take an X-Acto knife or screwdriver or something that you can kind of wedge those pieces out. They are glued on, but they will come out with a little bit of effort. And with a box cutter, you're going to score along the edges to separate that piece from the main section of the decor. What you're going to be using for this hanging wall art are the long patterned edges of this wall decor. Trim that down to the desired length. Glue those onto your painting. And then add a piece of twine with some hot glue. It's as simple as that. What you'll need for this craft is this Dollar Tree pumpkin decoration, a sponge brush, a white paint pen, a pencil, chalkboard paint, as well as your favorite pumpkin pie recipe. This is the one from Pillsbury. First, start by taking, of course, the tag off. Take off these little details here. Next, flip it around. Take the twine out. Now paint the pumpkin with a black chalkboard paint. This will likely need 2 coats. Make sure when you're painting the chalk paint, it's nice and smooth and there are no ridges. As this dries, I'm going to set it aside and then show you a quick tracing tip. So here I have my recipe printed out, and this is something that I did on Canva. All I'm going to do is flip this over, take a pencil, and then start shading the back of it. What this will allow us to do is flip it over, we can tape it down onto the pumpkin, and then right over the lines, and then it'll leave a mark on the surface. So this, I guess, is more of a transferring rather than tracing tip. However, it's awesome if you don't have, say, Cricut or something like that where you can print and then stick whatever thing onto your surface. You know, once the pencil mark is on the surface and you paint over it, 9 times out of 10, it looks great. Now I'm just going to go ahead and arrange all these little pieces on the pumpkin. So I like the look of that. So now I'm just going to tape all of these down and then start writing over the words. With a paint pen or a chalk pen, if you plan to use this as an actual chalkboard, go ahead and write over all of the words. For the detailed parts, I'm just using a white gel pen. With the words complete, it's time to add the details. All I'm going to do is thread the twine through the holes again, remove this bow from the leaf, and then glue that back on. What might be nice with this as well is just adding some painted stitches along the edge. And voila! And now you have this cute little piece of decor that conveniently has your favorite pumpkin pie recipe on it. So this craft is a simpler one. I found this in the frame section at Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to do is rework this into a magnet for, say, a refrigerator, but still keep this little hook on it for photos. Because I don't want to overcomplicate this, what I'm going to do is just start painting this piece and leave the little clasp on it. Now I'm just going to glue a piece of burlap on. This is the best kind of PSL, and that's the T. To keep with the silver, I'm going to paint the lid a silver. That's all for these quick artsy crafts. I will be sharing more fall DIYs soon, so stay tuned. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!